Oh, it's especially relevant to our business because online shopping, or if you like, getting on the consideration set of folks looking at building a home is the first sort of section of what they do nowadays. So it used to be going out to a show home on the weekend, but now it's jumping online and having a look through the various building company websites and sorting out the ones that you actually want to go and visit from there.
I think you've seen the barriers for consumers to switch from product to product and service to service to be made more easier by brands and companies around the world. And once you've allowed that to happen, the ease at which they can switch means that they're going to be picking experiences that are basically the best for them. So ensuring that you're delivering the best possible user experience that you can is a really great way to ensure that you're staying ahead of your competition.
At B&Z, when we started to develop UMoney, we looked at the capabilities that are available in internet banking. And what we quickly realised was that we didn't need to invent anything new. Everything was there. What needed fixing was the user experience. So we went through a journey, and what we were trying to be was experience-led, not functionality-focused. That's where we believe we could drive real benefit for our customers.
We had the challenge of, in a franchisee business like ours, of removing the ego of the franchisees who wanted to talk all about themselves online and putting easily accessible the areas that people were actually looking for when they were browsing.
I think organisations need to be constructed in a way that will allow them to deliver great user experiences, and that's not typically something that organisations have got inherently in place. A lot of the digital experiences in the past have tended to be ones where you'll design something and build it and deploy it and then leave it. But what we've seen with the types of experiences that we're delivering now is that they're always on and they're ongoing, and there's a constant evolution and support that needs to take place. And organisations need to be able to change their structure to support that ongoing innovation that's required. It's not a project by project basis anymore.
Well, for us it's about leads. When it comes to building a home, you need an awful lot of leads in the front end of your funnel to filter through to sales at the end. So for us it's about conversion online. So from a browser experience, it's not just spending time on the site and pages visited, but it's actually conversions through to making an inquiry.
You would measure it in the same ways that you would any other initiative that you do. You'll have some key KPIs that you want to meet. And creating a great user experience is typically a great way to engineer delivering against those KPIs. So you start by looking at those objectives at the beginning and understanding, are we managing churn, are we managing acquisition, what are the key parameters that we're wanting to work to, and then you can actually make sure that you deliver a user experience that's tailored to deliver against those. So you could create a type of experience that's particularly attractive, particularly sticky, even though that's a horrible word to use, but an experience that will keep your customers there, or you could come up with a great new innovative service that's designed to attract customers that you don't already have.